Magandang gabi Filipinas. Welcome to Japanese Shoe Channel. Today, I had a request from audiences. It says, try to react to Marcasti officials. Please visit this YouTube channel. I did a VS Anime 1. And thank you for your suggestion, VS Anime 1. I tried to search this Marcus T officials and it has several videos. And I found only this music video, Skusta Clee. So maybe you are saying about this video, right? Maybe. It has some of videos, but I think it's not for this reaction video, so I chose this video for this time. Okay, let's try. This is really first time I watched this video, and I don't know what will happen when I watch this. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to push notification bell to not to miss my future videos. And also, if you like the video, please share it to your friends and family members. Thank you very much. Salamat. Let's listen.
Ikaw agad ang bungad ng magandang umaga. Hindi kumpleto ang araw pag di kita kasama. Okay lang, nandito lang ako
This
na
is for
laging nakaabang.
newly
Kahit na magdamag, ano naman
married.
kung ilang oras ang masayang. Di naman ako manghihinayang. Handa kong magbabad makasama ka lang. Ayos lang kahit gabihin pa ako kakatingin. Dahil di ka nakakasawang tingnan. Basta ng iyong mga
Your voice is so clear. So he is a singer of this song. He has very good voice.
Alam mo ba mula nung dumating ka, bumalik yun na wala akong sigla. Ikaw ang naglagay ng tamis, sinalis ang pais sa masama kong timpla. Sa buong buhay ko, ngayon ko lang naranasan ng saya ng mundo. Kasi dahil sa'yo, okay lang anak kung ilang oras ang masayang. Di naman ako manghihinayang. Handa kong magbabad makasama ka lang. Ayos lang kahit gabihin pa ako kakatingin. Dahil di ka nakakasawang tingnan. Basta ng iyong mga mata.
Is this baby real his baby? And he made this song for the baby like that? I see. So maybe this is it? Yeah, this is it. Yeah, so very soft voice he has, and also the video is really showing, how to say, soft image of newly born and newly became father and a mother. I see. So for baby, I understand. Very gentle song, I feel. Okay, today's video is it. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to push notification bell to not to miss my future videos. And if you like the video, please share it to your friends and family members. And please leave comments below whatever you want. Hello, I'm happy, I'm hungry, everything is okay. And if you have your recommendations, please put the comment below. And if you have specific video you want me to react, please put the link below. I can easily jump to the link. Okay, thanks for watching the video. See you again. Bye bye. Salamat.